I'm going to be trying this new Reese's Puffs Cluster Crunch. The back of the box is kind of wild looking. Reminds me of the 60s and kind of like Peter Max look. You can smell the peanut butter and chocolate from here. Smells like regular Reese's Puffs cereal. See if I guess this is the kind of funny looking. This is the peanut butter. This is the chocolate one. Funny looking shapes. Oh, let me try before I put some milk on. Let me try a chocolate one. Alright, let me try another chocolate one. No, the chocolate one's not heavy on the chocolate flavor. Peanut butter's not heavy on the peanut butter flavor. Kind of, both of them kind of very mild. We'll see if they improve with milk. See if I can capture just a chocolate. Okay, let's try capturing peanut butter one. Well, they are crunchier than regular Reese's Puffs, just slightly crunchier. Let's get a big spoonful here. Well, they've got a milder peanut butter chocolate flavor than the regular puffs. Much less of the flavor. Well, they're not horrible, they're not bad. But if you're expecting the same great peanut butter chocolate flavor in regular puffs, these don't deliver. It's much milder, much less of that chocolate peanut butter taste. They are a little bit crunchier, but I think I'll stick to the puffs. I love the chocolate peanut butter flavor.